Hello everyone and welcome. We reached the third and final long tail cast on in the basics section, and that's the double start. It creates a pretty stretchy edge that has these cool nested pairs of stitches by utilizing a 2-stitch sequence. Stitch A is the standard long tail cast on and stitch B is its reverse. Here we go. We start in the standard slingshot position. I like to start with a twist, and first we're gonna do stitch A, which is just the standard long tail move. We go into the thumb, grab the working yarn, pull it through the thumb loop, drop and tighten. And now we're gonna do stitch B. We're going to reverse this thumb loop here. Right now the yarn goes from the needle to the inside of the thumb, around and down. We're going to reverse it so that it goes from the needle to the outside of the thumb, around and down. And now into this open thumb loop, we grab the working yarn, pull it through, drop the loop off and tighten. And that's stitch B. So again, stitch A, standard long tail, and stitch B, reverse the thumb loop and do the same thing. Go into the thumb loop, grab the working yarn, pull it through, drop and tighten. And soon you'll notice that you can tighten the thumb loop in the reverse direction so that you're in position for stitch B. So when I'm done with stitch A, I'm going to tighten the thumb loop from this direction over here so that now I'm in position with an open thumb loop. And I'm going to do a stitch B, and then I'm going to tighten the thumb loop the regular way. You can see it creates this horizontal bar that groups 2 stitches together. And it looks really good with garter, stockinette, 1x1 and 2x2 rib. I love this cast on. It's stretchy, it has this nice chain sort of effect, and I use it all the time. It's so quick and easy to do. If you already use the long tail cast on, this one is just gonna flow right off your hands. Here it is on a pair of slippers. I doubled it up here so it's even more decorative, and that's it. Good to have you. Thanks for watching. Bye.